Robinhood versus Fidelity, which is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which brokerage tool is better among Robinhood versus Fidelity. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with Robinhood. Robinhood offers commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies, making it an attractive option for cost-conscious investors. Prioritizes a seamless mobile experience, allowing users to trade and manage their portfolios on the go. Allows users to buy fractional shares, enabling investment in expensive stocks with smaller amounts of money. Does not require a minimum balance to open or maintain an account, making it accessible to all investors. Offers a cash management account with a competitive interest rate on uninvested cash, along with a debit card. Somehow, it offers limited advanced trading features and tools which may not satisfy experienced traders. Has faced criticism for its customer service, particularly in terms of availability and responsiveness. Does not offer mutual funds or bonds, limiting diversification options for investors. Now let's come towards Fidelity. Fidelity provides robust research tools, market analysis, and educational resources, making it a great choice for both beginner and experienced investors. Offers commission-free trading on stocks and options, aligning with the industry standard for cost-effective investing. Includes powerful trading platforms like Fidelity Active Trader Pro, which offers advanced charting, real-time data, and trading tools. Offers a variety of retirement accounts, including ERAs, 401k rollovers, and more, catering to long-term financial planning needs. Known for strong customer service and support, including a network of physical branches for in-person assistance. Somehow, the range of features and options can be overwhelming for new investors, making the platform appear complex. While trading stocks and ETFs is free, there may be fees for certain mutual funds, bonds, and other products. Does not offer direct trading in cryptocurrencies, which may be a drawback for those interested in digital assets. Choosing between Robinhood and Fidelity depends on your investment goals, experience level, and the features you prioritize. In 2024, both platforms offer competitive advantages. Robinhood stands out for its simplicity and low cost structure, while Fidelity excels in offering a broad spectrum of services and support for serious investors. The best choice will depend on your specific investing needs and preferences. That's all for this video.